Welcome back, YouTube. I'm the one-man clique. Anyways, today we're doing something different. Well, today I'm adding something new to the vlog. I'm gonna call it Cadillac Chronicles.
Open your mind to witness a phenomenon, estilo diferente that can never be compared to none. Pollo frito con tortillas de harina. Always stay cooking, the studio is my cocina. No mercy when it comes to this music. Everybody say they wreck, well they gonna have to prove it. Bittersweet cause there's no sugar added. Invested in some chairs cause these vatos couldn't stand me. Punchlines like celebrities with Perico. A 16-ball verse the equivalent of a kilo. Dropping EPs cause my albums were too lethal.
Anyways, today we're doing something different. Well, today I'm adding something new to the vlog. I'm gonna call it Cadillac Chronicles. And the reason why is because, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all why. Y'all can see I got a Cadillac. It's a little dirty right now because, well, I haven't washed it in a while. But anyways, I got a 92 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. Check out the inside. Yeah, wood grain steering wheel. As you can see, the leather is nice. It's not cracked. But let's get in. But anyways, man, I got this. This is gonna be like a new series, I guess, to the vlog. Nothing really. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of it on it, but it's Cadillac Chronicles. This is Cadillac Chronicles, episode 1. Nah. And the reason I'm calling it Cadillac Chronicles is because, well, it's my Cadillac, and if y'all, for those who don't know, man, it's my dream car, and I bought it all, some years back, and I never really had time to work on it because I'm always working. But through time, I bought things for it here and there and all that. So yeah, throughout time, man, I bought things for it here and there. So I never really had the time to really put anything on there to fix it or whatever. So now I do have the time due to this coronavirus. So I'm gonna go ahead and do little episodes here and there of me adding things onto it, working on the car and all that stuff. So that's why I'm calling it Cadillac Chronicles. Okay, so that's a little thing I'll be adding to the vlog. It's not gonna be something consistent, man. It's just whenever I get a chance to do them, I'll do them. You know what I mean? But this is gonna be the first one, and hopefully many as I work on this car and get it to the way I want it to be. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Now today I'm gonna put this bad boy in. Woo! Look at that. And that's gonna go right here on the top. But in order for me to do that, I gotta take these visors off. I don't know if I'm about to take this light off yet though, so we'll see about that. But I'm about to take these off and see how the hell I'm gonna put these on. You know what I mean? I'm gonna figure out a little bit at a time. And for y'all don't know what this is a mirror that goes straight across here. And I've always wanted one of these, man, because growing up, my pops always had a lot of LowRiders, so he used to have them a lot on a lot of his cars. Yeah, I've always wanted one of these on one of my cars, man, because growing up, my pops would have them on his LowRiders, so naturally, I was wanted one, so I bought me one some time ago, and I forgot I had it, man. I was cleaning out the car the other day in the trunk. I found this and a few other things, and I'm gonna put them on the car now that I got the time. And I'm gonna vlog it for y'all, man, so y'all can go with me through this journey as I fix this car up little by little. You know what I mean? The inside don't really need nothing to it, man, because it's a pretty clean car. You know what I mean? But I do need to wash it. But I haven't washed it because, well, the weather, I don't know if it's sunny 1 minute and it's fucking cloudy the next minute. So I don't want to risk washing it right now until it's like a sunny day and I wash it. That way it stays clean for a while. I don't know if y'all ever had the problem of washing a car and then boom, it rains. You know what I mean? So it kind of ruins it ruins it. You know what I mean? It kills your vibe because, man, I just washed my car. I just cleaned it. Boom, it rains. I ain't gonna risk it today. You know what I mean? But I will wash it later on, another day or something like that when it's not so cloudy outside. Now, I think I'm about to take these visors off, and I might have to take that mirror off for it to fit right. So, but I won't know till I put it together, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it together with the screws and everything in the bracket, and let's see how it works, man. Let's see how it fits. So, let's get it. Alright, I already got it assembled as far as high as up as it can go, so we'll see if it's gonna fit now. Let's go check it out. Alright, so it looks like it's gonna clear just right. Alright, so it looks like we cleared it just enough. I don't know if I'm gonna take the visors off yet, but we'll see right now in a few minutes. I'll get back to y'all when I get done with it. Let me mark these holes out and get it tapped in. I already went ahead and mark the holes on them. I'm gonna go ahead and drill them, see how it works. Now the kit came with these black ones, but they're not self-tappers, so it might be a little bit harder for me to do them. I might end up using these self-tappers instead, so we'll see. But I'm not too positive this shit. I gotta look at it a little bit more. But let's see what we get up to. And there we go, YouTube. Full installation of a mirror. Oh, LowRider mirror is what I call them. And now I still gotta tighten these bolts up and everything, get it to where I need it. Luckily, it didn't interfere with the overhead light over here, and I can still keep the visors because, you know, visors are always good just in case. You know what I mean? So, still got to keep my visor. It's not in the way of the mirror at all. Now let's put both visors down and see if it's gonna obstruct my view. Nope, we're not gonna just obstruct my view. Check it out, man. I'm really loving it. So that's the installation of it. Now I gotta tighten everything up, but I'll do that at a later time. You know what I mean? But if y'all like it, y'all want to see more videos like it, man, just drop me a comment, man, and like the video and share. You know what I'm saying? And this right here, I thought this was plastic, but it's actually metal. So that was a good thing, because I know it won't break or, you know, go brittle over time or anything. It's gonna be solid. You know what I mean? It's pretty solid. It's not too heavy either. So, you know, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this mirror. I think I might take it off, because I don't need to have two of them, but you know what I mean? I'll take it off and do whatever I need to do with it. I already went ahead and took the mirror that was here off, and I took the wire underneath there. You know, as soon as I get some more materials or some tie wraps or some tape, man, I'll go ahead and do a better job of that. But it's hidden out the way. You know what I mean? The mirror moves better now. I just gotta tighten up the bolts and all that. And I might mess with this. I don't know yet, because they don't lock. So, I mean, it's an old car, so I'm gonna try to work on that. But maybe for another video, maybe not. You know what I mean? But hey, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. And that was it, man, for the first for the installation of the mirror. You know, the LowRider mirror that I like to call it, for my Cadillac. You know what I mean? Cadillac Chronicles, man, the first of many to come. So if y'all like it, man, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, send it to anybody that's, you know, that might like it. You know what I mean? But the important thing is, man, that y'all enjoy the content. So make sure y'all drop me a like, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for being rocking with me this whole time. And hey, man, one man click and I'm out of here, man. Cadillac